Hi, I'm Pete. I'm the service manager at Visalia Honda. We're here today to talk to you about cabin air filters and why they should be replaced and when they should be replaced. They work just like the filter in your house for your heater and air conditioning, and our recommendation for replacement is every 12 months or 15,000 miles. I'm going to have my Express Lube Tech Francisco show you how we change that filter, and then we'll give you a close-up of what a dirty one looks like and a clean one. Hey, once again, this is Pete. I'm the service manager at Visalia Honda. If there's anything we can do for you, stop by. We're open daily 7:30 a.m. till 6 p.m. and Saturdays 7:30 to 5.